So in the fifth question, read the question, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. You have to take one group of numbers and you have to arrange those in small to big. Okay, small to big means you have to pick up the small one. Already explained with example. So here I am going to explain the A sum in the fifth Roman. So what is the first number here? 48,807, 84,087, next 87,084, 47,808. These are the numbers given here. So we have to pick up the smallest one among these. So here 48,000, 84,000, 87,000, 47,000. So here 48,000 and 47,000 you have to compare. 47,000 is smallest among the given numbers. So that you have to write 47,808 first. Next, immediately you have to write the 48,807 you have to write. And next compare in this 84,000 and 87,000. 84,000 is smallest. So you have to write 84,087. Immediately you can write 87,084. So like this you have to arrange the given numbers into ascending order. Next, sixth Roman descending order is given. Arrange the following numbers into descending order. So descending order means big to small. So I am going to explain A sum here also. A 235 is given, first number, next 628, next 98,570, next 1,257, next 7,541. Descending order we are going to arrange these numbers. Okay. In this, among these number, what is the greatest number? Greatest number means, so which number contains more places, more digits. Which number contains more digits means that will be the greatest number. So here 98,570 have 5 digits. So it will be the greatest among the given digits. So given numbers. So 98,570 is the greatest. Next here 4 digit numbers are there, 2 4 digit numbers are there. So here 1,000 and 7,000. 7,000 is greater. So you have to write the 7,541 in next. Next immediately you have to write the 1,257. After that 3 digit numbers are there, 3 digit numbers are there. In these 3 digit number, it is 200 and it is 600. So 600 is greater. So 628 you have to write, and next 235 will be the smallest among the following. So this is the descending order. Like this you have to complete the next sum. Okay. Next, and all of you see that seventh one, form the greatest 5 digit number using the digits. So here in seventh question digits are given 3, 6, 7, 8, 0. These digits are given. With the using of these 5 digits, you have to form a greatest 5 digit number. You have to form a greatest 5 digit number. So we already form a 4 digit number, greatest 4 digit and smallest 4 digit in fourth Roman. So now we are going to arrange this as a greatest 5 digit number. Greatest 5 digit number means you have to arrange these numbers into descending order. So 87630. So 87,630. So this is the greatest 5 digit number using with these digits. And in the eighth question, form a greatest 5 digit number using the digits 623 when repetition of digits is allowed. So you can use any digits you can repeat again. So already here 3 digits only given. What are the digits? 6, 2 comma 3. Any digits you can repeat. Okay. So here how can you write this as a greatest 5 digit number? Greatest 5 digit number means big to small you have to write. So here you can repeat 6 2 times, and after 3, it's 8th question. Here 5 digits, greatest 5 digit number you have to form, but here 3 digits only given. So any number you can repeat. Okay. So here first I am going to write like this. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. This is the 5 digit number. So here we can repeat 1 digit. So what is the highest number? We have to arrange the 5 digit greatest number means, so big to small you have to arrange. So what is the big number? 6 here. You can write this 6 3 times, then last you can write 3 2. 66,632 will be the greatest 5 digit number using of 6, 2 and 3. Okay. The next 8th question, 8th question after 9th question. Create a greatest and smallest 4 digit numbers satisfying the condition. So here some digits are given and one condition also given. With the using of the digits you have to arrange greatest and smallest 4 digit numbers. You have to form greatest 4 digit number and smallest 4 digit number. Here in the 9th question, A. Read the A question. 5 comma 0 comma 2 comma 7. So these digits are given. Here what is the condition? 0 is always in tens place. So 0 is always in tens place. So here what we have to write first? Greatest and smallest. First smallest. Smallest 4 digit number. Smallest 4 digit number, first we have to write the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here what is the condition? 0 is always in tens place. So 0 you must put first in tens place. Then you have to arrange the given numbers into small to big. Small to big means, so smallest number 2. In thousands place you have to keep 2 here, smallest number, and next 5 in hundreds place. Already tens place is filled, so you have to write 7 in ones place. This is the smallest 4 digit number. Okay. Next greatest 4 digit number. Greatest 4 digit number, here also you must put 0 in tens place. Again you have to write the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Here 0 in tens place you have to put first, and you have to arrange the given numbers into descending order. Descending means big to small. What is the biggest number here? 7. 7 you have to keep in thousands place, and next 5 in hundreds place, and 2 is in ones place. So like this you have to arrange. Okay. Try the remaining sums with your own ideas. In 9th question I am going to explain another one, that is D. D is 5 6 1 9. Here condition is, what is the condition is given? Digit 1 is always in ones place. So again smallest 4 digit number, smallest 4 digit ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here 1 must be in ones place. This is a condition, and remaining numbers you have to arrange in descending order. What is the smallest number here? We have to arrange in ascending order. What is the smallest one here? 5. 5, 6, 9. Like this you have to arrange. So this is the 4 digit smallest number, smallest 4 digit number. Next greatest 4 digit number. So greatest 4-digit number, here also you have to write the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Here 1 must be in ones place. So remaining numbers you have to arrange in descending order. So 9 you have to write first, 9, 6 and 5. 9651 will be the smallest 4-digit number here. So like this you have to try remaining one. So here I am going to explain the 10th one here. So once read the question. So from the least 5-digit number using the given digits. What are the given digits? First you have to write the given digits. What are the given digits here? 1, 4, 7. What is the condition is given here? So what ones place digit is 4 times than the thousands place. So ones place digit will be the 4 times of the thousands place. So here when you are writing the 5-digit number, smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So according to the condition, first fill the thousands place and ones place. Here thousands plus 1 means in ones place 4. So ones place number is 4 times than the thousands place. Here 1 is in thousands place means 4 is in ones place. So remaining places we have to arrange. So we have to arrange the given digits into ascending order. So ascending order means small to big. Here what is the smallest one? 1. Here also you have to put 1. Then 7 only, one number 7 is there, no? You have to use that number also, you must use. So that you have to put the 7 in tens place. It will be the smallest number, smallest 5-digit number with the using the given digits and the satisfying the given condition also. Understood? So these are the topics, and in the next topic we will discuss about the read and how to write the largest numbers. Okay. So in Indian system and international system. Okay, thank you.